are delicious homemade pizzas, perfect for a romantic night in or as an activity to do with the kids. KitchenAid or food mixer with dough attachments at the ready. 3 simple stages. Let's go. Stage 1, the dough. Add the flour to your mixer. Sprinkle with salt. Put the warm water in a bowl. Mix the yeast into the bowl. Add a little squeeze of honey. Wait 5 minutes for the liquid mix to foam. Then add half the liquid into the mixer. When it's absorbed, add the other half of the liquid. Mix for 10 minutes and listen out for a sticking or a slapping sound. That'll let you know when it's ready. As soon as it seems ready, take out the dough. Sprinkle flour onto a flat surface. Shape it. Knead it. Stretch it. Repeat this a couple of times before turning it into a lovely, chunky ball. Cover under a dome lid or a tea towel for 2 hours. Then, once it's set, you can begin to roll out into 2 large rounds, both 25 centimetres in diameter. Stage 2, the topping. Make the tomato sauce. 100 ml of passata, a handful of fresh basil, 1 crushed garlic clove. Spread across your dough base. Top with olives, cherry tomatoes, red peppers, mozzarella, and sprinkles of fresh parmesan. Add any other ingredients you love to top it off. Stage 3, bake. Turn the oven on to 220 degrees or gas mark 8. Bake for 8 to 10 minutes until crisp. Cut into slices and serve. Want the kitchen to be the heart of your home this winter? Head over to ao.com to see our latest range of ovens. We make mealtime feasts possible 7 days a week.